Alrighty then.
Alrighty then. We're at the property. Brought the splitter. Man, the black flies are going crazy on me. Anyway, we'll see how this goes. Oh man, bugs are bad. I'm gonna see if I can find some spray, and I'll record more of this after when I get a little bit further through. Ha! See ya. Alrighty then, just a little bit more. I kept my jacket on because the bugs were so bad, so I'm sweating like crazy. Anyway, I've got it all the rounds are split, and let me just give you a closer view of what we got, and then I'll just gonna stack these last few, and I'm taking 2 back to the cottage with me for tonight. Let me show you what I got. I've got 3 distinct piles. You see all 3? No, not quite. There. So I've got a pile, and the leftmost is kind of punky. It's a little soft. It'll be fine for fire at the beach, which is perfect. You know, I need some of that. The middle pile is real nice kindling. That's pine, and that right in front is cedar, and it's actually nice as well. It's a tiny bit damp, but not bad. It'll dry. The pine is dry as can be. That's why I'm taking those 2 pieces. And then the hardwood is over there. That's the all of that birch. And then I kept the birch bark. That stuff is great for burning. Anyway, that was pretty fun. So I'm just going to stack this little bit here in front, and then see what it looks like. Not a bad haul. Anyway, I hope this video turns out well. What I'm going to do next week is I just hooked up the trailer, so I'm going to take it back with me. I'm going to get a piece of plywood, fix the trailer, and I'm going to bring my sawhorse over, and I'll cut up. I'll buck these logs, these other logs that I pulled out. I'll buck those, and I'll split those next week. So that'll be a good project for next week. And be putting in the dock next week as well, and maybe picking up the boat. And just having a hopefully a really nice, warm, almost summer type of a week. It's supposed to be in the 20s next week. Today actually was, I think, 20 degrees. Beautiful. I played pickleball this morning in Perth, had a blast, and then I came out to do this. Yeah, it's been a great week. Anyway, see ya. Alrighty then. Wow, what a great week. Oh man. Just got back from the property, splitting some wood. Came back, I'm having a Miller Genuine Draft. Just put on a chicken. Oh yeah. And check out this buddy. Check out this little friend. Oh, chipmunk, watch out, because this snake might want to try to get you. There he is. Hey buddy. He's fat. You're a fat snake. I won't bug you. You're pretty big though. Yes, you are. All right. Well, I'm going to leave him alone. It ended up being about 22, 23 degrees today. Beautiful. Having a fire. And that sun is going to set nicely tonight. Poking out of the clouds. Next week, the docks are going in. And I'm going to hopefully pick up my boat. And probably put it in the water the week after. Anyway, see ya. Thanks for watching. See ya.